IDT started as a telecom company, and now we've migrated basically into a software company. Prior to using testRigor, we were able to automate a lot of test cases pretty fast. But then after about a year, we ran into the maintenance problem. I did a lot of research on the internet, and we came down with new companies that were out there doing some unique things. But with testRigor right away, we saw results immediately. And I think the biggest thing that we saw was that we had some interns that did not know how to code at all, automating test cases faster than our automation engineers. Before implementing testRigor, we were treading water at 34, 33%. After implementing it, we're now at 91% of our test cases are automated. Been doing this for 25 years, and I've never been able to attain that until we got testRigor. It's about a savings of $2 million annually. testRigor is going to impact the company in the future by allowing us to get to true CI/CD. Without the automation, we would not be able to do that. I've actually recommended testRigor to several of my colleagues, and the reason why is you're going to save money in the end, right? I don't know how they do it, but the support that they provide us is amazing.